Welcome. Today we're diving into the fascinating nature of our universe and the true essence of time. Our universe is actually four-dimensional. But here's the catch. Its fourth dimension isn't in space, but in time. And the nature of this time dimension is fundamentally different from the spatial dimensions we're familiar with. In science fiction movies like Interstellar, we see concepts like black holes and tesseracts, four-dimensional cubes representing space. Inside, characters seem to control time itself. But these portrayals often mix scientific ideas in ways that can be misleading. Some scientists believe our universe is a good, pre-planned block universe, where all events have already happened. These events are just being played out in real time. Like a DVD. Think of it this way: all information about the past, present, and future is already stored, and we can play it forwards or backwards. This idea suggests determinism, that nothing happens randomly. Everything is predetermined, but quantum physics tells a different story. At the fundamental level, particles behave randomly, and scientists have even won Nobel Prizes for proving this. So how can the universe be both deterministic and fundamentally random? That's the paradox. Let's explore two major paradoxes. First, the grandfather paradox. If you travel back in time and change something, it could cause the entire timeline to collapse, like dominoes falling. Even in a universe where everything is already written, the idea of constant change and influence makes it complicated. The second paradox: collapse of entropy, the measure of disorder. According to the second law of thermodynamics, entropy always increases. This is why time seems to flow forward. About 13.7 billion years ago, everything was concentrated in a tiny point, almost zero information. The Big Bang then created matter, energy, galaxies, and life. The constant increase in entropy drives the arrow of time. Physicist Carlo Rovelli argues that time is an illusion, a construct from constant motion. Clocks, planetary orbits, and everyday changes are repeated motions that give us the perception of time. In reality, time measures change, not an independent entity. From that initial singularity, the universe has evolved through randomness and constant change, driven by entropy. This ongoing process is what we perceive as the flow of time. Many movies and videos portray time as flexible and manipulatable, but these are fictional interpretations. The true nature of time is much more complex and rooted in the laws of physics. And what about Einstein? He didn't believe in a black universe. In relativity, time is used to measure relative motion. It can move forward or backward, depending on the observer. Einstein saw time as an integrated dimension of space, interconnected and constant due to the speed of light. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the universe and time,